Okay, hopefully you can hear me in this video. The last video I had uploaded, none of it worked. Like, it just did not pick up any audio. So, I got my camera on today. It's 5 minutes till New York AM open. We are going to do a quick little charting session. We're going to start off in the daily. So, we are on MNQ and we've got ES as well up here. So, I use next day model, like next day continuation model. And unless we're gonna shit the fucking bed, it does not look like we're coming for it. So, this is just crazy bullish action. This is my draw here, and I'm gonna take like maybe these stacked highs up here as my draw for bullishness. We come down to the 4 hour. We're gonna look for the 4 hour PDRAs, which we don't have any, but we've got these stacked highs. We've got this liquidity up here. This right here should be sitting, yeah, 120. So, excuse me. I think there's a lot of sell orders up there. So maybe if we reach there and open and dump, I'm not too sure. Then obviously, if you come down to the hourly, we have got all of these that need to get swept. This is the main thing. This is the low. That's what I want to see get taken. But we got all of this. All these gaps. This order block. This right here is like chop to the breakout. Yeah, so we could look to go long, but sort of middle tick in the move. I find I am looking to go short. Actually, an hourly order block here, so that's not too bad. We could tag into the CE of that hourly order, bitch. Yeah, we could tag CE that and go lower. 30-minute. I'm not really saying that, and we've just got this range that we broke out of yesterday, but for some weird reason we're coming back into it. Yeah, it's not the best. It is not the best. You get this nice V-shaped recovery as well, so we could just continue pushing higher. 15-minute. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of this order block and we're gonna just start looking for our model. So I have to come back onto the hourly. This right here is our C1. This is C2. Probably not gonna get it though, unless you get a really big rejection out of here. So C1, which is the hourly candle, C2, and I don't think I'm gonna have time to trade C3. I need to be somewhere at 2:55 for me, and around then after like end of recording. Then it's my time. It's like 9 a.m. New York time, so 10 a.m. New York time. I want to see that 15-minute CISD is not until down here. 5-minute CISD is here because we're in liquidity, and then back up. This will not be a valid 5-minute. It's just a 5-minute. I'll actually M5 CISD. I'll probably stretch that line out just a little bit more so you can see it. It's our M5 CISD, and then this right here is our M15 CISD. I'll probably just target like London lows, Asian lows maybe, if we get the dump out of here, because that is a really big move, and I don't really see us pulling all the way back down. We're like, yeah, 500 points away from PDL. I don't see us making that move today. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Yeah, balance is sitting at 49,200. I actually got banger yesterday after I logged off. I ended up taking another trade at 1 to 9. Or it was crazy. Crazy trade, honestly. Yeah. So we got 45 seconds till market open. Where even is CE of this breakout? We'll go from Asian lows to the current high point. CE is here. Right. Here. CE. So we'll put 50. I didn't press shift 50%. There. We've got 70% here. 79%. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep the CE marked up, and I'll leave the rest of this graphed out as well. So, 3 seconds until New York open. What are we gonna do? Let's pull up ES as well. Actually, we've got ES open, actually. Yeah. ES is shown. Took a PDA high. We came back with the weekly open. I honestly thought that Red Folder News today would have given us... What's it called? Would have given us... Oh god, I can't think. I thought the Red Folder News today would have given us bearish action to hopefully get C2 for the 9 AM candle, but it's looking like we're going to have to try trade C1, or C2 forming for bearish. But we can continue this move. Maybe if we pull back into a nice part of the range, to the gap, get the manipulation out of that, and immediate CISD, and we take that for longs. To our draw at 26,120 or 25,440. Yeah, we smashed through that yesterday. We literally got stopped out to the tick on that move yesterday. Like, price came up, took us out, chip chopped, and domed to our TP. Like, unbelievable. It was crazy. I was watching it. I was like, holy shit. I could not believe it. I couldn't believe it. What? I'll zoom these in a bit more. I don't think you can see these candles. Might zoom you in a bit more. That should be a bit better for you, I think. Yeah, that's a bit better. I'll stretch my chart out as well. Yeah, so New York Open, we just tagged that 5 minute. Doesn't look like we want to push lower. We're just watching, anticipating. Sitting on our hands. Sitting on our hands. Damn, we got a gap here. Fill that out. 1 minute gap's not in a 5 minute now. Nah, 1 minute gap. 3 minutes USD is resting there as well. I better not get internet issues right now. If I get internet issues right now after trading on my phone, I'm going to lose the plot. I hate trading on my phone. Oh, it's the worst. I don't see how people do it. I honestly cannot wrap my head around people who can trade on their phone. Like, I'm so jelly of yous. Let me get on some music. Okay. So we're getting an indecision candle in a 5 minute. It's a wick up, wick down, and a very small body. A very big wicks and very small bodies. I usually look for these on the 4 hour, daily, or the weekly candle. It usually is a sign of a reversal when price is nowhere wants to go. So like tends to just make really big wicks in a small body. Usually uses for grabbing in liquidity and then moving in the opposite direction. But yeah, I'm expecting us to push through here. If we get this 5 minute CSD, I'm expecting us to run, pull back up, and then go lower, like ping pong it. Just go bing, bing, bing. An M1 projection block right now. I think it's a 50% of the range. Yeah, so literally what I said was going to happen. It's going to run. This right here is 50% of the range. Where's London lows? Asian lows are down here. That's a really nice draw. Bring me on to the 1 minute. 16 seconds. Give me the CISD. Give me the CISD. Nice, 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 nice. You got this 5 minute. We got the 5 minute, yeah? Yes, we got the 5 minute. We have got the 5 minute. Nice. Okay. Shorten from here. Mole BABU. Let's set that limit and see if that limit gets tagged. I don't think we're gonna get tagged in on this right here. I'm gonna turn this off. How do you turn it off, Chris? Here. There we go. So, can I get to this? This is gonna be C2. This is gonna be so beautiful. Honestly, what I was hoping for. Shorts are just so clear. We are risking $100. My risk management lately has been nice, in my opinion, anyway. Like, some people risk a lot, lose a lot. You know what I mean? Let me just mark it 1-to-1 in this. Can I get 1-to-1, please? Okay, let's do it this way. So, stop level 97 ticks, take profit level down. There you go, that's 1-to-1. That is 1-to-1. I need to confirm this actually. Discard that. We have got a tiny gap that might have been our 5-minute retest, which is right here that we had wicked into. It seems like we're pushing a good bit lower now. We can look to get in this in ES, so ES hasn't made a move yet. Okay, that's way too much. Way too much. MES. I'm assuming that's London low. And that would be Asian low. I think it's just nowhere to get in ES if you fail me, Cuzzy. And we haven't got that 5-minute. You have a feeling we're going to run without giving me an entry. Which is tragic. Which is absolutely tragic, but you have days where you get entries nice and smoothly, like yesterday, for example, and then you get days where you don't get entries at all, and it happens. Seven seconds, we can create this gap, and we can fill it out and tag. So yeah, so we got to close. We could fill this gap out, like wick into it. which is going to happen, and I'm in now. Why didn't I get a notification said, oh, it's a bit delayed. So, as I was going to say, you can fill that out, retest at 5 minutes, and then deliver lower. So, we have gotten in right here. That's a bit low. Oh, 1-to-1. Do we do it? That was kind of fast. Here we do it. We're 1-to-1 here. We go break even. And then we ride the wave. We ride the wave. This is now a risk-free trade. Oh, we're pulling back. Oh, please don't give us chop. Like, we've literally only opened. See, market annoys you when it does this. Like, it chops. Why? Just move. Like, you want to take people's money, go hit their stop losses, go hit their take profits. You know me? Well, have to take profits. If you want to make money, you go hit stop losses. You get me? But, yeah. That always made me feel kind of weird, like, because I had a mentor IRL, and I was trying to explain to him what a funded account was, and he was saying to me, like, for 70 bucks or €70, I think I was paying for a Forex 10k, Forex 10k actually was, yeah. And he goes, for €70 you can get the leverage of 10,000. And obviously I was new to trading, and I was trying to explain to him, like, prop firms, when I don't understand prop firms, how am I supposed to explain to someone else, basically? And he was just saying to me, like, the leverage on that is just unfathomable. Like, it's so big that it can't be real. And I always thought I was trading with real money. Like, I didn't know you go into demo first, so I thought it was real money. And then eventually when I found out that it was demo, I was like, I'm paying €70 to trade demo. Like, what is up with this? Obviously, as time goes on, you get a little bit smarter, and I don't really mind trading demo anymore, because honestly, there's a risk for reward. And wowza, that is our trade. Break even. Yeah, break even on the day. I don't want to see anything else. Did we come down and tag on the 5 minute? We came down and tag the 15 minute. We could deliver higher from here. That's just a shocking market open. Honestly, shocking market open. We got that 5 minute CISD. And I failed. Ran through. Stop loss would have got hit, but we got a break even. My tabs are tweaking out. I had gone full screen there. We've got some T's in these highs right here. Five-minute CASD is right there. It's crazy, like that small move is $200 like on micros, 2 micros as well. But then that big move there is only 900. Like, I don't know. It kind of confuses me. I understand obviously because the candles have moved a lot more with the volatility, but what shocks me, like if you bought here for say, you could be like 500 quid I think. Bought here, TP there, 400 quid. What? You hear me? And then like, so 400 say 400 quid. And then down here is 300. Which is the same I suppose, but yeah. Okay. We're getting some sell-off movement. Do I get into longs to 26 120 like? Longs from here might be very nice, like, you know. This right here. Stop set there. TP set up here. That's a nice trade, like, in my personal opinion. Because you can get in like here and just add an extra con in, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Get in here. Yeah, I think we're gonna flip on this, that'll be so real. I think longs are to play. Might just DE, de-escalate, and just target that. If you flush through this, that is just crazy. Which it's looking like. Flush through that to London lows would be very nice. Which we're doing. Bang, 2. Three seconds on the close. With the close. Where we got to close. 1-to-1 BE. Flushers to London lows, come on. I've seen this. Okay, it looks like ES wants to do this move as well. YM is just in his own world. YM is in its own world. I don't even know how much I'm profiting off of this. 900, that'd be nice. We'll take us out of complete the draw down. Boom, 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 boom. Are we targeting London lows or Asian lows? Probably target Asian and get one out here. Yeah, get one out here. That's what we'll do. Buy one out there. So we have got what's it called? What is it called? Partials. And then one here is 6. So making the same on the trade basically. $80 more trying to catch much more. Yeah, nah. Bun that, mate. Bun that. Bun that. Bun that. A bun a dat. Things I have to go now. You know what I mean? I have to go. So that's not the best. You have to go like right now. I am break even on the trade, so it's a risk-free trade again. I will keep you in the loop tomorrow. I'll let you know how this goes if I get break even or if I get DB. I'll let you know tomorrow. I'm probably gonna break even right now. I can hold it off like till exactly 55, but that's probably the best I can do. And 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Yeah, okay, we got break even. 2 brutal break evens. Absolutely brutal break evens. It's not good. It is honestly not good. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another New York AM session. Peace.